Welcome to my video where I'm going to unbox, I just got this in the mail, the STEM Source Ferrofluid Display. So this is what I'm going to unbox and look at today. And it's got this ferrofluid in there, which is iron suspended in their chemical, whatever that proprietary chemical is. And what's inside the box, let's see, we've got one ferrofluid display, includes 50 milliliters proprietary suspension fluid with 2 milliliters of professional grade ferrofluid formulated in the USA, and then 2 powerful neodymium magnets. So these are real strong magnets. So let's see what else we've got here. Let's just talk about what's in the box. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, take all this stuff out. Okay, there's the magnets, put them right there, they're strong. Here's the ferrofluid in the container. I'm gonna see if there's any manual or anything down here. I don't see any manual or more information, so we're gonna have to figure this out as we go. Okay, so now let's look at this a little bit. Okay, here's the ferrofluid, and this is kind of a black stuff. Now, here's the 2 neodymium magnets. So I'm gonna put them next to it and see what happens. Okay, it looks like they're forming those little spikes. Maybe kind of hard to see, but you can see how that, let's see if I can get that one to join with the rest of them. I'm not sure why that one won't. I don't know if that's, maybe that's not, it's separated somehow and that does not have the ferrofluid in it. I don't know. Try to figure this out. That blob right there does not seem to be very magnetic. So it must be just okay, this is the only magnetic blob in there. Okay, how am I gonna get this to separate? Okay, let's see what I can do. Whoa, these are strong magnets. Okay, here we go. There you go, you can see that they, now if I get them, you see the spikes as the fields are trying to come together. That is pretty neat. See if I can get you a little better perspective. All right, well, I wanted to show you this, and it's just what I got in the mail, and it's kind of neat, the ferrofluids, the magnetic fields, how this operates. So I want to thank you for watching. Hope you got a little of this out of this.